Remove the air filter housing fixing bolts. Remove air filter housings, casings, and elements. Remove air filter base bolts with Phillips screwdriver. Remove the air filter base fixing bolt with tool No. 10. Remove the air filter base. Use No. 10 tool to remove the air shield fixing bolts and nuts. Cut one button start harness cable tie. Remove the air deflector. Remove spark plug cap and connect ignition coil kill wire. Flame out line. Remove ignition coil fixing bolts with 10 T socket. Remove the other side ignition coil similarly. Assembled ignition coil with 40 mm feeler gauge. Align ignition coil during assembly. Connect the flameout cable on the left. Plug facing inward. Flame out cable connection. Right ignition coil assembly. Right side kill wire plug faces outward. Remove oil pipe. Remove intake pipe bolts with 10 tag tool. Remove fuel pump bracket bolts with 8 tag tool. Unplugged carburetor solenoid valve. Unplug the exhaust pipe. Remove carburetor and disconnect stepper motor harness. Remove the overflow pipe. Disconnect intake pipe with 8 tag tool. Remove the carburetor and replace it. Fitting intake connecting pipe to carburetor and intake pipe. Fit intake pipes. Keep sealing rings from falling off. Tighten intake pipe bolts with 8-hash tag tool. Pay attention to the installation direction when assembling the intake manifold gasket. Fix wire clamps together with connecting pipe bolts. Assembled carburetor solenoid valve harness. Gasoline pump bracket assembly. Install oil pipes. Oil overflow pipe assembly. Connect carburetor stepper motor harness. Connect temperature sensor harness. Bundle up the wiring harness. Assembled exhaust pipe. Air guide shroud assembly. Check internal parts assembly carefully during installation. Fixed air guide cover nuts and bolts. Air filter base assembly. Assemble intake pipe cover with M630 bolts. Assembled Phillips pan head self-tapping screws. Air filter element assembly. Air filter cover assembly. Fan cover decorative panel assembly.